question number 7. At work, my opinion seems to count. Man, this one is so rich with ideas that I may have to take 2 videos. But first, let me ask you a question. Why do you think Gallup has become a worldwide leader in employee engagement research and even consulting? Anyway, back to this question. The reason it's important is only 1 in 5 workers strongly agree, and yet Gallup has proven that it's more important than compensation and bonuses. In fact, when you improve this over time, what you're going to find is customer ratings, employee retention, productivity, and profitability all go up in a major way. So here's a couple of things I want you to think about when you think about valuing opinions. Number 1, do you actually value opinions based on someone's pay grade or on the concept that everyone has good ideas? And number 2, when you have good ideas in your team, how do you handle recognition in public? And more importantly, when you have a bad idea in a group setting, how do you defend that person who threw that idea out? Because here's what I'd recommend that you think about. When you actually deal with employees, never give them an opinion until you ask for theirs first. So when someone asks you what to do, I want you to always say, well, what do you recommend? And number 2, think about asking for the opinion of somebody that you don't get along with. You'll be amazed at what that does. Because always remember that asking for an opinion doesn't remove your authority or responsibility for the decision. It just improves the odds of success. Oh yeah, and that question. Gallup. Oh, they're known for their opinion polls. See you next week.